Satu, dua, tiga, action. What is up guys, Fahan here with Zah once again, and today we're at Bisado Motoring. We're going to install a new camera on my bike because some issues with my current camera right now.
Oh, okay.
And we're just gonna meet up with the manager, Jason. And yeah, I think he's gonna tell us more about this place and the cameras that they have to offer for us, our riders.
Okay, come, let's go.
Okay guys, so this is the manager of Bisado Technologies, Jason. How are you, man?
Good.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, and maybe you want to give us a brief history and share what Bisado Technologies is all about.
Okay, so basically what we do is cameras for a start. Okay, we have been in the industry for almost 7 years. So we have done multiple projects from government agencies to end users. We are quite specialized in our field. We have over 10 models of cameras.
Zah, I know that you have used the camera from Bisado before. How is your experience with it so far?
So far, my experience using the camera, I'm very confident because for 1 year plus, my camera is still okay. Still works fine, still records. But of course, the model that I bought is already no more. I think P6X or something like that.
Yeah, now I think it's the new version 3.
Yeah. Okay. My one was very early on when they were still in Macpherson. So far, I'm very satisfied with the cameras that I bought. So there's a Malay saying that goes, Allah membeli menang memakai, which translates as the price you paid is what you get. No, you pay quality, you pay big money for good quality.
And only that, got free cash card. Because that time the two-wheelers promo.
Yeah.
Speaking of cameras, we're talking about cameras. Maybe you can share the range of cameras that you have here.
Okay, so overall we have almost 11 models. Let me introduce to you the base model we have. This is the Halo 720. This is the 720 pixel camera. Okay, we have all the way the range to 2K QHD resolution. So both of them, it depends on your usage. Some of them you would like to go track, you would like to capture high-speed footage, you might want to go for the MAS. The MAS currently is called the Vision 500. We do not have them on display yet. Okay, and then for the base 720, it's good for users who just ride in the day, like for example 7 AM, you go to work, 5 PM, you come back from work. Okay, cameras that actually can record the day and night would be the 10p models. Okay, which is something like that. Okay.
So this is the high-end model.
I would say middle range.
Middle range. Okay.
High-end, top-end model would be this.
This one.
720.
Okay. Okay. So maybe you want to share with the other models that you have. I noticed they also carry SYS, is it?
VCs lah.
VCs.
In short. Okay. So VCs itself is, I would say, good value for money. The whole package for 1080p start at a base price of 219. Okay. All goes all the way up to 319. We have over 4 models, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so those VCs models are good for people who are looking for value for money. Of course, if you compare both of them, the Taiwan one definitely will last slightly longer. Okay, I would say much longer instead of slightly longer. Okay, and it's also widely used in government agencies for the Taiwan brand.
Okay lah. Whatever it is, you can check out their social media pages for the range of cameras and also the price.
Yeah, the price are there.
Just come here to Autobay lah. And see Jason lah. So I know that you guys are going to install a camera on my bike. So which camera is it that you?
Okay, what we are going to install for you is F1 Pro, which is something of the top end of the 1080p specifications. It captures day and night really well.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's go downstairs and see the installation process. You can see Emelina here, her old camera has been removed. And now, because got some issue lah, that's why they had to take it out. And then the warranty no longer covers it already. So Mr. Jason here is going to install the F1 Pro on Emelina lah.
On the app first thing add camera, press next, add camera again. Okay, search for your bike plate.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bike plate. The password is.
This one can change, right?
Yeah.
Later the whole world know my password already.
Who's gonna see?
You are quite elusive lah, so never mind.
Okay lah.
Okay, press always connect. This
Always
is just a first time setting.
Okay.
Press back. You'll be able to see the thing will start to connect. And just give it a short while.
Okay.
This is F1 version 3. This is the name of your camera, which is your bike plate. Press into camera, you'll be able to see your front and your rear.
Oh, so this is okay. So it's in a different frame.
To check your footage, press camera file. You'll be able to see there is three particular tabs. Regular loop folders will be under here. Okay, if you press the snapshot button on your handlebar, there is actually a controller over there.
Okay.
It will be under snapshot. If you press the lock button on the handlebar, it will be under lock. Okay, do note the microphone is at the controller there.
Microphone is at the controller.
If let's say there's any alteration within you and the driver, please keep quiet first.
So it displays the time and date lah.
Yeah, the time and date will be synchronized to your phone.
Oh, okay.
So you no need to set the date and time, always need to set them. No need to do so anymore.
Okay.
So the whole system is waterproof.
Waterproof, I see. Even this is also waterproof.
Yeah, this is waterproof. So technically you can dip this in water. No problem. Okay, so first thing, when you're on your bike, you'll see the thing the controller itself start to blink. When they start to blink means it's normal recording. Okay. If you want to press the buttons, for example, the lock button, flash a simple red light over there. That's to tell you it's lock file. Okay, if you press the photo button, it will capture a snapshot.
Okay. So the lock is the timestamp lah.
Correct. Correct. The lock is not exactly a timestamp. Basically, every file is 3 minutes. Okay. That particular 3 minute will be locked at some other folder, so it wouldn't delete. Also, this is good for emergency situations like people they salute you or things like that. Nearly bang into you. That is important. So you want to report him, or if there was any accident, it will be a good footage for you to use.
Okay, Jason, thanks for the explanation on how the camera works. Okay, so maybe in 1 week's time, I will give you my full review of the footage and how it works. Of course, as you can see from the video samples we have here, as with YouTube, you're not getting 100% of the resolution given the post-processing of the platform. Personally, I love the crisp, sharp footage of the Loo.King F1 Pro. You can see all of the details, make out the license plates and location. It doesn't shake or vibrate too much. Footage in the evening also looks great. You can make out the details clearly. At night, however, the light glares are quite prominent, especially at the vehicle's tail lights. So let's talk about the basic specs of the Loo.King F1 Pro. Okay, so it's equipped with a Sony IMA 307 sensor with 140-degree wide angle. It records in full HD at 30 frames per second. Water and dust resistant, rated at IP68. It features loop recording with Wi-Fi connectivity through the Loo.King Cam app, and it supports a micro SD card of up to 128GB. And from Bisado Motoring, you're covered with a 1-year warranty with one-to-one exchange if there's any issues with the camera, and they'll be able to provide you free diagnostics and free corrupted file recovery. Alright guys, so that's it for the review of the Loo.King F1 camera.
Yes, F1 Pro.
Yes. So thank you once again. We'll be partnering up with them, by the way. So I think you guys have something for our fans out there.
Okay, so for MBW, we'll be coming up with package deal for all riders. Do look out for all the promotions on our Facebook page. I would say that you will save easily up to 100 buying at the show. On top of the package deals, we will be giving a cash card preloaded with $10 with a customized design at the show also.
So all this is at the National Bikers Weekend, 4th to 6th November. Don't forget, see us there and also Jason. And also not only that, we'll be partnering up with Bisado on a giveaway for you guys. Hey, what's the camera you want to give away?
The same model that's on your bike, F1 Pro.
The F1 Pro, yes.
Worth 369.
So leave comment down below. Give us your most creative and heartening comment for us and Bisado over here. And we will select the best one and we'll be in touch with you if your comment stands out. Jason, thank you once again for showing us Bisado and telling us the range of cameras that you have and also installing the camera on my bike. Yeah, that's it for the vlog and we will see you guys in the next one.
Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my